I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am thrilled to be getting my Bushel and Berry raspberry and blackberry potted for the summer season. Now, all week long I've been debating on what pot I should put it in and where should they be placed, and am I going to mix them up with other plants? And I have decided, instead of doing container combos with these, because I know both of these have the ability to spread and take up some room, for this season, I'm going to grow them out in some of my favorite simple black square pots with drainage holes. And these are actually going to be sited out front next to my live wall. So they are going to be in a prime location for lots of photographs and easy for me to be able to harvest fruit from them. The process for planting is pretty straightforward. I'm just going to add a little bit of soil cube organic compost to my containers and then take the plants out of these original pots and loosen their roots so that they'll be ready to grow into the new compost. Then I'll just fill in the gaps to make sure that the pot is totally filled, and I will give them a handful of garden tone fertilizer and finally top dress with triple shred hardwood mulch. Not only is this an easy area for me to be able to water, it's the first place that I see when I pull into my driveway. I love being able to have these berry plants here in such a convenient location for managing and harvesting. Remember, that's a really critical component to successful container gardening. You've got to put it somewhere where you actually walk past on a regular basis so that you'll know when your plants are dry or when there are fruit to be harvested. And while I'm out here, I'd love to show you how the strawberries are doing that I planted a few days ago. They look amazing. You see, growing here, there's already some ripe fruit. And I love this combination with the purple cabbage and the San Marzano tomato. Here on the other side of the wall is that beautiful red flowered strawberry that is doing great. I've already harvested fresh fruit on it, and it has this fantastic vertical garden as a backdrop. And this foodscape container has settled in really well to this spot, and I have been saving this fantastic ripe fruit for this moment. Yum. Nothing better than walking out your front door and harvesting your own strawberries, courtesy of Bushel and Berry. Sweet and delicious. These Bushel and Berry strawberries can't be beat. I do look forward to giving you updates on how all of these Bushel and Berry fruiting plants do here in Central North Carolina's Zone 7. And if you found this video to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the Bree the Plant Lady channel and hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.